Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I'm gonna talk about the PG details and the course detail regarding the Uttar Pradesh private fee, tuition fee, stipend, bed details, everything regarding the PG courses. That means those aspirants who are eligible to get the seat as after MBBS, that means for the MD MS courses, right? So I come with each and everything regarding the Uttar Pradesh state private medical colleges, tuition fees, hidden charges, other bed details and other tuition fees, etc. Everything, stipend and all, everything. So it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end, followed by please take pen and paper so that you can write it down. This will help you in your upcoming NEET PG 2023 counseling. Talk about my college, that is the Subharti Medical College, that is in Meerut. It is the college having the bed of nearly about 938 beds and the fees is 14.44 lakhs. Followed by the hostel charges is 2.5 lakh. Miscellaneous charges, that too per year, is 1.28 lakh. 5 lakh security deposit, and definitely they are asking for the bank guarantee, that is 30 to 40 lakhs. Followed by, if you got failed, fees might increase by 2 lakhs. 2 years rural bond is there. Stipend is nearly about 60,000 per month. Now let's talk about the another medical colleges, that is the Sharda University and School of Medical Sciences and Research, Greater Noida. That means the Sharda University, Greater Noida. Its fees is 25 lakh and it is the university of having the 1200 beds, medical beds. Right, hostel charges is 2.5 lakh, miscellaneous is 1.248 lakh, followed by the security is again 5 lakhs and there is the mandatory 1 year SRship, followed by the stipend is 32,000 per month. Now let's come to the another private medical college of Uttar Pradesh, that is the Rohilkhand Medical College, Bareilly. It is having 720 beds. Hostel charges 2.5 lakh, miscellaneous 1.28 lakh, security 5 lakh and 2 years SRship is there, followed by the stipend per month is 24,000 per month. Private medical college of Uttar Pradesh is the Muzaffarnagar Medical College with the 857 beds. Hostel charges 2.5 lakh. Miscellaneous charges 1.28 lakh, security again 5 lakh, followed by the stipend, that is 32,000 per month. Private Medical College of Uttar Pradesh is the Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Barabanki, and it is having 580 beds with the hostel charges 2.5 lakh, miscellaneous charges 1.28 lakh, no bond is there. Right, just like you need to do some rural bond or rural work or in the rural area, or no SRship is there, nothing is there, but your stipend is nearly about 35,000 per month. Next medical college of Uttar Pradesh is the Rama Medical College, Hapur, and they are having 1259 beds. Hostel fees and miscellaneous charges are same. Security charges are also same, that is 5 lakh rupees, and the stipend is 30,000 per month. Next private medical college of Uttar Pradesh is the Heritage Institute of Medical Sciences, Varanasi, with the beds of nearly about 735 beds. Security charges, hostel charges, miscellaneous charges are same as it was of the previous colleges which I have told you just now. Stipend is comparatively low, that is 15.6 thousand, that means 15,500 per month, nearly about. Next college, that is the KD Medical College, Mathura, with the number of beds, that is 720. Hostel charges, miscellaneous charges, security charges are same. Followed by there is no bond, and the stipend is comparatively good according to the college, if I say. That is the 32,000 per month. Followed by the next private medical college is the Rajshri Institute of Medical Sciences, Bareilly, with the number of beds is 740. Then hostel charges, security charges and the miscellaneous charges are same. There is 2 years of SRship is there, and stipend is comparatively low, that is 16,000 यानी कि 16,000 per month. Private Medical College of Uttar Pradesh, that is the T.S. Mishra Medical College, Lucknow, with the number of beds is 735. Hostel charges, miscellaneous charges and security charges have remained same. Again there is no bond, and stipend is comparatively good, that is nearly about 30,000 per month. Private medical college is the Career Medical College, Lucknow, with the number of beds are 600. The charges are different here. The hostel charges is 3 lakhs rupees. Followed by the security charges are also different. The security charges are 4 lakh rupees and there is no bond. But the comparison to the other private medical colleges, the stipend is comparatively good, that is 40,000 per month. Then the Era Medical College, Lucknow, with the number of beds of 850 beds. Hostel charges 2 lakh rupees. Security is 5,000. There is bond and the stipend is nearly about 60,000. Private medical college is the FH Medical College, Agra, with the number of beds are 932. Hostel charges, miscellaneous charges and security charges. So security charges and miscellaneous charges are same. But here the hostel charges are different, that is the 3 lakhs rupees. Now the next private medical college, that is the GS Medical College and Hospital. Again hostel charges are different, that is 2.5 lakhs. Followed by the miscellaneous charges and the remain the same, that is 1.28 lakhs, and followed by security, that is the 5 lakh rupees. Again there is no bond, but the stipend may vary from 32,000 and maybe 40,000 depend upon the year. Now the next private medical college is the Integral Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, with the number of beds of 540. Hostel charges are 3 lakhs rupees, right? Miscellaneous charges is 1 lakh rupees, security charges is 2 lakh rupees and the stipend is 40,000. At the Krishna Mohan Medical College, Mathura, with the number of beds are 700 beds. Hostel charges, miscellaneous charges and security charges, everything is remains same. There is no bond as such and the stipend is nearly about 15,000 per month. Medical college is the Prasad Institute of Medical Sciences with the number of beds are 410. Hostel charges is 2.5. Miscellaneous charges is again same, that is 1.28 lakh rupees and security is also same, that is the 5 lakh rupees. Now followed by that the stipend here is the 18,000 per month. Stipend is there. Private medical college is the Mayo Institute of Medical Sciences with the number of beds are 736. Hostel charges, miscellaneous charges and security charges are same, which I have told you earlier. The same pattern, 1 year SRship is there, followed by the stipend is 14,000 per month. On the other hand, the next private medical college of Uttar Pradesh is the Rama Medical College and Hospital, Kanpur, with the total number of beds is 730. Hostel charges, miscellaneous charges and security charges are just remain same. There is no bond and the stipend is nearly about 30,000 per month. Next private medical college is the HIMS Satapur with the number of beds of 700 beds. Hostel charges, miscellaneous charges and the security 5 lakh is there. 1 year SRship is there. Stipend is also there, that is 30,000 per month per PG seat. followed by the Saraswati Institute of Medical Sciences, Hapur, with the number of beds are 851. Hostel fee, miscellaneous fee and security fees is remain same, which I have already told you earlier in this video. Followed by there is no bond, and the stipend is 32,000. Third college, that is the private medical colleges, but according to my list it is the last third college, that is the SRM Bareilly, with the total number of beds are 915 number. Hostel fee is 3 lakh rupees, miscellaneous charges is 1.284 lakhs, and security fee is refundable here only in the SRM Bareilly. Security fees is refundable 5 lakh rupees, 1 year of seniorship. Already stipend is going advance, that is 61.5 thousand. Next college is the Tirthankar Mahavir Medical College, Muradabad. 1000 beds are there. Hostel fee is 1.75 lakh. Miscellaneous fees is 1.2 lakh. There is no bond. And the stipend is nearly about 65,000. Private Medical College of Uttar Pradesh is the Sri Venika Teswara Institute of Medical Sciences, Amroha, with the total number of beds are 750 in number. Hostel is 2.5 lakhs. Miscellaneous is 1.284 lakhs only, followed by the security, that is 5 lakh rupees, and no bond is there. Stipend is also there, that is 35,000. Right, so that's all about the whole info regarding the NEET PG 2023 seats criteria regarding the open state, that is the Uttar Pradesh. Like this video, then hit the like button. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to join the dental group for the dental jobs and the medical jobs, followed by the another WhatsApp group that is for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So for that you can DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me as a sweet gesture. Followed by you can also drop me the mail, which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.